This is the exact process which we use to schedule Instagram Reels out on complete automation using a CSV file. A CSV file is basically like a comma separated value, and you don't need any complicated technical stuff to do this. Like, all the instructions are there, and it takes a couple of minutes max. So the first thing which you need to do is go to your SailGen account, and that's my platform in case you're wondering like what we're gonna use. And I've just opened this up on an incognito window, and once you're logged in, this is what it looks like. Once you're here, you have to go to the media storage section, and basically we're gonna be uploading all the reels. One thing which I've noticed, which is the reason, I don't know like if this issue is only in my computer or is it with everyone else. As of me filming this, like, I'm the only person who I know faces this issue, like everywhere else is fine. But in my case, the media storage section, this only works in an incognito window. I don't know why. When I spoke to other people, it was absolutely fine. So you don't have to open it in an incognito window. But in case you're facing any type of errors or issues, you can just simply open it up on an incognito window and it will be there. Now you have like two choices. Either you can upload the reels directly, just click on this upload button and choose all the reels which you want to upload. I'll just select this video for reference, give it a couple of seconds, and you're pretty much good to go. Yeah. So this is done. But the thing is, I like to keep stuff a bit organized. So I create folders. If you want to create a folder, you can just simply click on this, give the folder a name, and you can just open the folder once it's created. Like, I post all my reels in like SailGen Reels, or like, sorry, IG Reels. Yeah. So I post all my reels over here, and I've already uploaded the reels, like all these reels. What I like to do is once I've uploaded the reel, like, this is what the reel would look like the name of the file. I just rename it as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth, because it just makes it very easy. Now, once all your reels are uploaded, and you can upload like unlimited reels, there is no limit on the number of reels and the amount of storage which you can use. Like, it's absolutely free, like unlimited storage. Once you're done, obviously you have to generate the captions for all the reels, and I've created an entire SOP which you can follow to create the captions. And I'm basically going to do that. Like, there's this video guide attached as well. You can just reference it. I would highly suggest you to reference it, because without this it's going to be pretty complicated and you're not going to be able to do it in the optimal sense. You just follow the steps, like open ChatGPT, paste this exact prompt, and yep, we're just gonna paste this in ChatGPT in a new chat. ChatGPT 4o is once again the best model. You just simply come here and you paste it and you generate the captions. So now we're gonna upload around 3 reels, and the thing is, like, we have to do the captions for all 3 reels. So I'm just gonna see what the reel is basically about. Like, once you paste the prompt, like, ChatGPT will ask you what the reel is about and what's the CTA which you've added at the end of the reel. So I'm just gonna play this reel out, and in order to play it, you just click on these 3 dots, click on get link, and you simply just paste the link in a new tab and you can open the video player and play it out. I don't know why we made. So the CTA is basically, the reel is basically about the fact that getting rich flow is extremely overrated because we cannot even enjoy life. CTA is comment wow if I'm not wrong. Like just ensure the CTA is right. I think yeah, it's wow. Yeah. So you just explain your reel, like the main message of the reel in one sentence, and you're pretty much good to go. So you just do this for all, like till the time it's generating. I'm gonna do it for the other two reels. Like I'm just gonna show you how to do it for three reels in a row, and you can just repeat this process for like unlimited reels. There's absolutely like no issues. Mm, mm, So CTA is free, and reel two basically it's like about leverage is important because everyone from the broke guy to the billionaire has 24 hours. So the question is getting more for what you put in, and that's basically the aim of the reel. CTA is comment the word free, so CTA is free. So now the second reel will be generated, the caption, and I'm just going to move to the third one. And I know it sounds like kind of time taking, like kind of time consuming, but imagine you had to write these 1,000 word captions yourself. And in case you're wondering why these captions are so long, I explained it in this SOP, the one for generating captions, and it's basically more sales and more reach. What this basically allows you to do. Uh, let's just say in the fifth one, people real three. So much abundance in the world. Guy called me scammer on sales call cause he couldn't believe I charge so less for what I was offering, even though it was high ticket for me at least. And yeah, I think that's the main aim of the reel. The CTA, what was the CTA? I think the CTA was free only. And boom, the third reel. I'm just gonna see, like I added these two as well today. So I'm just gonna see if they also work and someone's on the door. Like no one's home, so I'll just check it out till the time it's being generated. Yep, so now all the captions for all three posts are generated using the SOP, which I have linked in this SOP. Now we have to just simply generate the CSV file, which we can copy and upload to the platform, and all the content we'll go out on automation. So I'll just link ChatGPT as well so that you have an easier time navigating. I'm not logged into the right account, I guess. Yep. So I'll attach this. You can say thank you. Yeah. So open ChatGPT, open a new chat, and once again ensure ChatGPT 4.0 is selected. You can use like, I don't know, like some people use like the different versions of these AI LLMs. I don't understand. Like I use the paid plan of ChatGPT. It works absolutely phenomenally, and you can use something else if you like, but I just use this, so that's all I can teach you. So you just simply copy paste this exact prompt and you just paste it in ChatGPT. I've done all the work. Like, do not use your head, please. Like, just copy paste this, follow this exactly, and you also have to now open the chat where you generated the captions, because you have to copy paste the captions from there. And yeah, basically this is the first caption, right? So now ChatGPT will ask us for the real video links, and we just have to provide it to ChatGPT. So we go back once again to media storage, and you just simply come over here and click on get link, but I've uploaded them over here. So reel 1, paste, reel 2, paste, reel 3, paste, and boom. Caption for each reel, caption 1, and we just simply copy it, and the thing is we have to paste it exactly like in the perfectly formatted way. So for example, like you might notice there is not a lot of line space over here, and the thing about Instagram is the more spacing you have, like the more people read. It's like, I don't know, like you're probably better than me at psychology and stuff, but basically what I know is like the more spacing and everything you have, the higher the readability. So I just like to add a lot of spaces. So just format it. Boom, 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 boom. And it's a bit tedious, it's a bit time consuming, but it's definitely much more convenient than doing it all yourself. Like manually posting this, manually generating them, copy paste, like that's much more work. So just add the spacing, not that big of a deal. And yeah, boom. Now we do it for caption 2. Just copy paste the caption which is generated, and just repeat the process. boom. And this is just for, I forgot to do it for the third one, so I'm just gonna do it for the last one as well. uh, Reel 3, like, you should ideally include all the reels and the captions in one prompt, but I forgot to add the last one, so I'm just gonna do it now. Boom. All three runs, all three reels, all three captions provided to our AI bot. And now you have to answer the questions like, when should this process start? When should the first reel be posted? And I'm just gonna be like, I want to I want to start posting the reels from 6 December 2024, and I want each to go out daily at 7 p.m. Meaning, one will go out on 6th, one will go out on 7th, one will go out on 8th at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. You can add your time zone, but it probably won't be needed because your time zone is already set in your SailGen account. And I don't want any other links, and boom. You can do it for unlimited reels, by the way, like ChatGPT just creating the CSV file. You can add like hundreds of reels like this. You can just create, like, you can go to Google Sheets, create a spreadsheet, and one column could be the link of the reel and the other column could be the captions. You can import it directly into ChatGPT and ChatGPT will give you the direct thing automatically. So this is better if you're doing it for like smaller batches, but when I have to do it for like extremely huge batches, like hundreds of reels, that's what I do. And I even like include the topic thing, and I import the CSV directly into ChatGPT and give it to ChatGPT, and I'm like, yeah, this is the topic and the CTA, so give me the captions as well in a CSV. And basically that saves a lot of time if you're doing it in very big batches. But now you're gonna have the CSV which you can download. Just click on this and boom, it will be downloaded. Now, once your CSV is downloaded, we have to upload it to SailGen. In SailGen, you just simply come to the marketing tab, like this is where you are when you log in. You come down to marketing and social planner. You have to simply come here, click on this new post button over here, and click on upload from CSV. You come here, click on this button and upload the CSV file, and boom, you click on next, and you have to select where all you want to post it. I want to post it to this Instagram account, this Instagram account. You can post it on Facebook as well, so I'm just going to do that. Like, I'll post it on Facebook as well, I'll post it to TikTok as well. You can also upload it as YouTube shorts, but currently I don't want to do it, but you can absolutely do it. And just click on create, and boom, it's gonna take like a couple of minutes for the status to be uploaded. So I'm just gonna refresh it and I'll just pause the video. Like it takes 1 to 2 minutes around for it to be updated. You can just simply like reload it, go do some other work in the meantime. Yeah, I'll just pause it for a minute and I'll resume the video once it's done. I literally just pause the video and like you can see the time as well. I paused it at 2:38 and it's just done. It will show in review because one last thing which you have to do, like I'll just show you what you have to do. Like someone might have missed the button and be like, Somal, I did not see. You simply come over this blue thing like review and schedule. You come to this and now you can see all the posts, everything, what time will it go out. There's a one small tweak which you have to make because unfortunately Instagram does not allow us, and you simply click on import post. It will show some errors and I'll show you how to fix it. It will always be there. You just simply come on this button, click on import post. Till then, yeah, so now as you can see it's completed. Now when you come to your planner, you're gonna see all the posts but they'll be in draft, and that is because there are some issues, not in the sense like we've done something wrong. Like you simply click on this draft button, you click on edit post. The thing is, by default when you post a video, Instagram thinks you're posting like a normal video, and the normal videos don't allow like these long types of thing. Like they have different all of that stuff, like technical stuff which I also don't understand. So I'm just gonna select the reel option instead of feed, and in the TikTok option, this is obviously optional, only needed if you post it on TikTok. I'm gonna select everything, like everyone, and boom, that's all you had to do. And just click on this button and schedule post, and schedule post, boom, like 7 p.m. the date was already set and you're good to go. In the future, when Instagram fixes this issue, you won't even have to do it and your post will be automatically scheduled, but Instagram has not fixed it yet, and you simply do it for the remaining posts as well, and that's all you had to do. Like you simply come down, select reel, everyone, and this button, schedule post, boom. You come here, draft, click on edit. You click on reel, you click on reel, and you click on everyone if you're posting to TikTok, boom, and boom. That's all you had to do. Literally as simple as that. You can upload it on like YouTube, shorts, everything you can do it. You can also add like follow-up comments, you can add automations. Automations I'll cover in another SOP, in another guide. And yeah, basically this was the freaking process of doing the same. And I'm just gonna go through some common troubleshooting, like common errors you might face is like, I'll just open it up. This is a very common one. I'll just show you, like this is the only error which 99% people of you are gonna face, and I'll show you how to like fix it. Uh, yeah, I'll just show you. Let's say I try to upload a CSV file. You download the CSV file which ChatGPT gave you. You come to the marketing tab. You're all excited. Finally, I'm gonna make an automated cash printing machine. You click on this, and then let's say you schedule this out. It will give you this error. CSV headers are not identical to sample file. And in that case, I'll just show you what you need to do. The first step is take a screenshot of this. Click on this button called download a sample file and just download it. Then you come to ChatGPT, and the place where you got this reel schedule, you simply come over here, click on this upload from computer button and give it this, the final reel file which was shared. You upload the final file which ChatGPT gave you, the sample file which you downloaded, and the screenshot, and you're like, this is the error I'm getting. In our case, like I've already fixed the mega prompt, and basically I fixed it so that this issue and this error does not arises, because I also gave it like these should be what like the sample CSV should be like. But in case by like a freak accident of nature, by like 0.1% chance, if you do indeed face this issue, you can simply just do this. Please give me the updated and fixed CSV file. And boom, you just wait it out, and ChatGPT will go through all the files which you uploaded, the screenshot, everything. Like ChatGPT knows this is what it should have been like, this is what it has been like, and you'll get the corrected Instagram reel schedule, and you can use it pretty normally. And yeah, that's the process. Boom. It's not that difficult. Like, it's not that difficult. And that was the entire process. Once again, if you have any questions, if you're facing any other issue, the free sales in community awaits you. You simply come over here and you can create a post in problems and solution. The best thing you can do is record a quick Loom video like this. It's absolutely free to do. You come to problems and solutions. You click on this. You're like, boom, boom, boom. This is the problem I'm facing. This is the link of the Loom video. You can attach videos, images, everything, and someone from a team will get back to you. That's all I had to say. Have a beautiful, fantastic day ahead. Take care.